All right, folks. All right. So how are you doing? How are you guys doing? And today I'm gonna show you one setup. Okay. So this strategy for some people I have taken and how to do this strategy, but some I have not taken this strategy. Okay. But you guys have need to reach this level in order to understand and you eventually reach this level. Okay. This is basically a intraday setup. Okay, this is an intraday setup that you are seeing. Intraday. Okay, intraday setup. So basically what I'm going to do here is that you can take this strategy, apply this strategy in any instrument that we are seeing in forex market. Okay, it's not just gold, but today I have taken a trade in gold. Okay, that is what I'm going to show you and how you can also apply this concept. Okay, so in this concept, some of the things which I am using is that, okay, some of like key levels. Okay, then what I'm using is that also uh, support and resistance, FEG, order block, MSS. Okay, and also LQ sweeps. Okay, sweeps. So basically these are the ideal setup for to do this thing, and this is very powerful. This is very powerful. Okay, and if you master this thing, I think you only needed this one for in order to trade continuously. Okay, for in forex market you actually needed this one. This is that lit actually. Okay, so but make sure that you know this concepts properly. Okay, right now my trade also is running. Okay, and this is crazy. This is so crazy that this is happening. And all right, so I'm gonna explain you like how you can do this. Okay, first thing first. Okay, first thing first. So right now I'm in my 5 minutes 5 minutes gold chart. Okay, 5 minutes gold chart, and I took this vertical line and marked 5 a 9 a.m 9 a.m. Okay, basically I'm taking this in a London session. Okay, so I'm marking 9 a.m candles. Okay, higher 9 a.m candle higher, which is basically this candle. So I'm marking this high, and also 9 a.m to 11 a.m, this is my range. Okay, and this in this range I'm marking my low as well. This is my low. All right, so make sure this is your trading range for that particular day London session. This is your particular day trading. Okay, so and basic some of you guys know already that I trade mostly in the London and New York sessions. Right now, go to 1 hour. Okay, the time frame that we use is that in this. Okay, TF. Okay, time frames are basically 1 hour. Okay, then 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes. So as I said, this is risk is there. Okay, I'm not saying risk is not there. Risk is there, but still this is gem. This is so gem. Okay, now let's see here. Okay, this is my trading range. This is my trading range. Okay, as I got my trading range. Okay, as you draw your trading range, you need to wait for the skill zones to happen. And the next thing is that you need to draw the internal and external level liquidities. Okay, which are those actually? The fair value gap and order blocks, all those things, right? So here I can find my OB here downside. Okay, basically here you won't be taking trades. Okay, here that you have a bearish OB this side as well. The market came from here. Okay, so this side you also have one bearish OB, and this is basically London timing and London kill zone. Okay, 11. Okay, 11 11 to 155 around here, 155 around here. Okay, so around this level is London time. So you can trade, okay, during this particular time. Also you can trade right now, also you can trade in the, maybe before reaching the US timing you can trade also. So um, understanding this is very important. The concept understanding is very important. Okay, so understanding this, once you understand the concept, then only you'll be able to trade on this. So here, where is the liquidity is, like basically where you will be reaching is that the market that you will be finding here only. Okay, this will be your market finding that you will be getting. Okay, from here you wanted to take trades. Okay, from here, from this level to this level, when the market is moving, you want to take trades. So you know clearly that where is your levels, this is your levels, and this is your sell side liquidity level, and this is your buy side liquidity level. And you can clearly see here also where the price is right now. The price is around closing here. Okay, price is open here, came back down, created the low here, and price is going to this side and close this 2 hours trading session. Now wait for particular candle to get a sweep. You need to get a sweep. Okay, you need to get an exact sweep, either above or below. Okay, let's see. Let's also mark the liquidity levels as well. Internal level liquidities here, one fair value gap you have. Okay, here, and clear bearish fair value gap you have. Okay, drawn that also. In 5 minutes you have, in 50 minutes you check, you also have a fair value gap here. Okay, you clearly have bearish fair value gap. Now you shouldn't be selling there or doing any decision there. Okay, you shouldn't be doing there anything there. Okay, it's 11, I know that 11, and this is your zone. Okay, this is your zone. Okay, and you need to understand the liquidity level here. Okay, this is your liquidity here. Okay, and let's see how this is acting from there. Yes, market went, took, closed depot, which means it has taken completely. Okay, it has taken completely. I'm gonna decrease the speed a little bit. Okay, let's see. Now see, the candle is formed again. Okay, candle formed downside again, and the liquidity for this particular timing, it's here, money is pending here, and here also pending. Okay, this OP is not taken yet. See, let it run. Okay, let it run. See, the market is pulled. Okay, and exactly this is what I was talking about. This is what I was talking about. The sweep and closed below. The sweep that you got. Okay, the sweep you got and it closed below. The sweep you got here. Okay, this is a perfect sweep that you should be getting. Okay, then the candle closed below. So once you are got this opportunity here like this, okay, this is a gem. Okay, this is a gem. Okay, so what you need to do is that you need to basically understand this is your, okay, trading range, and this is your trading range, and currently the market is in the premium also. Okay, so you need to wait for a fair value gap to get a fair value gap to get. So you are finding a fair value gap. Okay, you are finding a fair value gap. Basically where you are finding a fair value gap here. Okay, here you're finding a fair value gap. Clearly you are finding a fair value gap. Okay, clearly you are finding a fair value gap here. Now into this fair value gap, okay, rectangle short position. Okay, obviously you wanted to do it in. Okay, and this is your CISD level. Okay, this is your CISD level in the 3 minutes, and in the 5 minutes, okay, this is your CISD level. I do recommend take CISD levels in the 5 minutes levels. Okay, and what is CISD if you are not understanding? Okay, change in state of delivery, that is what a CISD means. If you're not understanding, that's fine. Like, I have not taken for you, maybe some of you people I have taken. Okay, but see here, okay, once a price is hit at this level, as fair value gap you got, and soup also you got, and the next level, okay, either you can target here, okay, and also if there is no liquidity, is like, there is no other major liquidities are here, okay, and this is coming from almost 1 hour, 1 hour time frame, this is coming, okay, 1 hour time frame, you can clearly see a bearish trend from here also, and from here this is coming, hit at this level, grab this level, and coming from here. So align like this, okay, if you are placing your trade with the higher time frame bias actually. Okay, now as you got here this, okay, as you got here this, you can clearly go to 3 minutes, and 3 minutes you are having a fair value gap which has taken right now. Now let's see, and also the trading should be at least here. Okay, now let's see how this is going, this is performing. Yep, yep, yeah, clear. See, this is all you need to do, this is all you need to do, understanding this. Okay, and if you yes, yes, okay, so by London this timing, this is over. Okay, this trade is over, and you cannot play any sell trade over there right now. This is over, this has taken. Okay, if you are having a lot of confusion, like, not sure about this, all the order block is gonna take, all those things, if you are having means confusion, make sure it's exit around this levels, 50% of the levels you exit. Okay, then as you can see clearly here, the market, where the market is going and coming down also. Okay, this level, okay, all this level in 1 hour also you can clearly see, can clearly align a fair value gap here, a proper fair value gap here, and this is a 1 hour gap, and in this 1 hour gap you don't want to mess up, because this is in a down uptrend. Actually the market is in higher time frame, this is an uptrend. Okay, this is an uptrend, but you don't want to mess up with this time right now here. Now what you need to do is that, okay, what you need to clearly do is that, okay, as you get here this thing, okay, make sure you're getting all those things properly, and a reversal from this level. Okay, a reversal, you need to wait for a reversal to happen. Okay, that reversal, maybe you can buy to the next level. Okay, but the overall structure is in sell, overall structure in 50 minutes also it's in sell. Now see, let's see here. Okay, now as you see here, okay, you have got one proper MSS also here, MSS here. Okay, which means a market structure shift which is happened here right now. Okay, then, and the where is the next liquidity level, this is your next liquidity level. Okay, this is your next liquidity level, and it can easily take it, market can easily take in that, because this is in the higher time frame and we are aligned with the higher time frame. Now let's see. Okay, here buy trend, if you're taking, means go with this long position. Okay, as you know got this thing here from here. Okay, here you can clearly see the market is changing from here, and this is the candle it came first also, and you can place a trade. Okay, a long position. Okay, maybe below this level you are getting a gap, so this level gap also you can identify. See, same concept. Okay, both sides we can aim, both sides we can aim. Now here, okay, okay, let's see how it is playing out. It's not taken at all. Okay, got a gap here also. Yeah, can place it here to this level, but no, my overall bias is bearish only, so I'm not looking for any sell right now. If this coming means, if it is taking from this level means, it's okay, fine. Okay, let's see. Yes, okay, this is like, okay, so from here you can see, okay, exactly, we are not, we haven't got anything that didn't came for our level, so I'm not taking that also. Here you see short position again, the same setup played out, to this liquidity level where it was, we have got this MSS. Right now this current market is running. Okay, let me close. Okay, but let be overall structure is fine only. Maybe we can target this level as well, but it is fine. Okay, it is fine. I'll be setting in the break even as well. So also here, see a gap is formed here also. Most probably it's gonna respect, as it is gave the huge bearish candle as well here. So see a kind of a trading that you wanted to do. Two trades, okay, two trades today. Just one is this and one is this. It's more than enough. Like, it's more than enough for you. Like, you can trade like this. This is maybe a little bit complex. You need to understand a little bit more about this key levels first. Okay, support, resistance, FEGs, order blocks. Also you wanted to look for this liquidity sweep and CISD. Also CSD, whatever you say, it's fine. Okay, now this is the complete intraday setup which I used today to take a trade. Okay, you can use this thing. Okay, like kill zones and everything you can match into this. As kill zones, here you can see this is the trade that I have placed in the kill zone only. This kill zone is over here, like next US timing is started, right? 5:30, 5:30 around this level. US kill zone is started now. New York kill zone, yeah, around here. Okay, so obviously this is as it is, like, you can clearly see then what you need to do, what you are, no need to confuse yourself, or no need to think like, it's a rocket science or anything. It's just that simple. Okay, all I'm doing is that I'm fractioning the market here. Okay, all I'm fractioning the market and going for the liquidity levels where the market is taking the liquidity, where the market is sweeping the liquidity. This is all what I'm looking actually. So basically Asia, this is Asia. Okay, and Asia and London opening, like overlapping sessions. Okay, from that high and that low. And also I have taken this London kill zone level, and kill zone level I got a sweep closed below this level. Okay, below this level, and this candle become my CISD level. And also I got a big red candle here. Okay, and in that I have got a gap also, in that I placed a trade, and that gap is respected and came to take this liquidity level. Okay, and you can clearly see in the 1 hour chart. Okay, you can clearly see a bearish bullish FEG here. Okay, FEG here. So this is what the market came to take. Okay, this is what the market came to take. Now here you can see order block here, and that order block only this is respected. Now as I say, okay, as I say, like, market always go for this liquidity hunts, always go for this liquidity hunts. Without that, market won't, perform. Also market needs that actually. Now it needs, if the market wants to go down, okay, this will take this and will go down if this is so powerful. Okay, now here also you see here, as I said, like a good structure break and everything has happened and supported the buy side, but we haven't got entry. If you want to take entries, like, this is only our entry options to take the buy. Okay, like, but to this journey, no, it didn't came actually. This fair value gap here, it went, it took, and here also it took and went upside. Okay, now This is again, this level is broken and this level is respecting. As I said, understand the liquidity levels. Okay, and liquidity levels are those like, equal high, previous day highs, previous day lows, and break of structure levels. All these are liquidity levels. And internal level, if you see, like, Fiji order blocks, imbalances, all these levels are internal level liquidity levels. So market is always like this, and market will perform like that only. And no fancy setup, no nothing. Okay, just this, if you follow this only, you can really achieve something in the market in 2026. And cut all the noises. Okay, don't see too much news channels and all those things and make confuse, don't confuse yourself. Just focus on this. Okay, just practice, practice, practice. Okay, practice as much as you can. Okay, and understand these things. Okay, this is all you get to do. And here, this is an example of gold. Okay, and if I have taken one trade in euro also, same as it is. Okay, and here you will be seeing a, a pure closed candle here. Okay, closed candle here. So the difference with this, that is in the 5 minutes, but if you see in the 15 minutes, you see here this closed below. So exactly that is what you need to focus on. Okay, but in gold, you see, in gold, like, this is closed in 15 minutes also, it is closed below. Okay, wick closed below. In 5 minutes, it's closed wick and closed below. So that is the important point. But if the market is closing above, means market tend to perform higher only. Okay, but you don't want to mess up with that. You just need to understand this first, or like only if you are getting sweep, you'll take this trades. Okay, but if you are not getting sweep, the setup won't align like this. Okay, maybe most of the time you won't be getting fair value gap, all those things. Market will tend to go higher only. The structure won't break also. Okay, here this is what the market is showing right now. Okay, here this is also what the market is showing. So because of that, you're taking. If the structure is not, this wick is not closed, or it's not a sweep like this, okay, what will happen is that most probably this liquidities will take and the market will perform higher. Okay, or this order blocks will take, market will perform higher. So that is what you need to focus on, and this is what you need to really practice. And euro USD also, you see exactly it is respected and it went. So I didn't push any my entries like this. I just waited for this level only. I just waited for this level to hit, and it took and it went. See how smooth the entry is, just two, 3 candles only. Okay, so and this video is almost like 23 minutes, and I'll wind up now. Okay, make sure you see this video. Okay, then let me know what doubts you are having or anything, and maybe we can take it from there. Okay, and thank you guys, and yeah, do practice. Okay, do practice. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next videos. Okay, something else also I'm planning, and if you are guys are not up to these things, and I'm planning something else also, let me know where you are standing right now. Okay, and bye.